Hi! Magandang araw and welcome back for another video. So welcome to the Differential Equations Problems playlist kung saan magsasolve tayo ng mga problems sa differential equations. So, unahin na natin yung mga problems natin sa midterm exam. So yung item number mismo, yun yung nilagay ko dito. Okay. Let's begin with problem number 6. Okay, the challenge actually dito sa midterm exam problems natin and sa pagsasolve ng first order differential equation is finding the right method para masolve. And madalas, yung mga first order differential equations natin, hindi lang siya nagfa-fall under one method. So, it can take one or more methods. It can belong to one or more types, sabihin na natin, na differential equations. Kagaya ng mga napag-aralan natin sa lecture, minsan pwede siyang isolve through separable equation, pwede rin using yung method natin sa pag-solve ng linear differential equation or first order differential equation. So, the main challenge here is actually pagpili kung anong method, anong tamang method ang gagawin natin. So, dapat ma-identify muna natin ng tama kung anong klaseng differential equation yun or kung anong klaseng method ang gagamitin natin. So, as a practice, ang ginagawa ko is I begin with tinitignan ko muna siya kung homogeneous siya o hindi. Meron tayong test sa homogeneous, diba? Yung nagdadagdag tayo ng lambda and that after some time, sa bawat term, bawat x and y and then dapat ma-factor out natin yung lambda na yun in such a way na there is lambda n multiplied by the differential, some function. Okay, kung derivative na yun, parang ganyan. Basta may na-factor tayong lambda. Okay, medyo marami rin kasing definition yung homogeneous. Pero yun yung trick natin. Bilang shortcut din, para ma-determine mo siya kung homogeneous siya o hindi, titignan mo lang yung term, kung yung degree niya is pare-parehas. Okay, kung titignan natin tong x cube, yung degree niyan is 3. Pagdating dito kay y, 1 lang, di ba hindi natin nilalagay? Pagdating dito sa may y prime, okay, degree niya rin is 2. So, hindi sila pare-parehas. Ibig sabihin nun, hindi yan homogeneous. Ngayon, kung hindi siya homogeneous, syempre, susunod ka o maghanap ka ng other methods. Hindi natin ito kasi pwedeng solvein using homogeneous, yung method natin sa homogeneous equations. So, next na itatry mo kung hindi siya homogeneous is it's either separable ba siya or foldy siya. First order linear differential equation siya. Kung foldy siya, ay kung hindi siya foldy pero mukha siyang foldy, pwede kang diretso sa Bernoulli. Diba magkamukha lang yung dalawang yan. Okay. Medyo meron lang dugtong na y raised to and sa dulo yung Bernoulli. Okay. So try natin. Either of the two ang unahin mo. Para sa akin, ganun yung practice ko. Since hindi siya homogeneous, try kung separable siya. Kung separable, dapat ma-express natin yan as factors. Diba? Mahihiwalay natin. Pero tignan nyo ito, x cube wala siyang y. Itong 3y walang x cube. Okay, sana kung may y ito, para mahiwalay natin yung y. And then magkakaroon tayo ng ganyan. Ito transpose natin yung negative xy prime to become yan, and then mahihiwalay na natin sila kasi ito yung y prime maging dy over dx. And then cross multiplication na lang or division multiplication, mahihiwalay. Kaso nga lang, wala nga siyang y. So, hindi rin siya separable. So, next, dahil hindi siya homogeneous, hindi siya separable, try natin yung folde. Okay. Sa folde, meron tayong sinusundan. Dapat ma-rewrite natin siya sa standard linear form. Yung y prime plus some function of x multiplied by y equals q of x. So, meron dapat tayong makitang y prime at saka some function of x na nakamultiply kay y. Then we have function of x dun sa right side. Mukhang hindi man ganito yan, pero pwede natin gawa ng paraan kasi nakita natin may y prime. Tapos yung 3y, walang kasamang x. Kasi yung y dito dapat may kasama siyang x, diba? Pero yung y prime dapat wala siyang kasamang x. So baka pwede natin siyang ilipat. Try natin. So isusulat ko in standard linear form itong given equation. So ililipat ko si negative xy prime. I will have a positive xy prime. Sama na rin si 3y, magiging negative 3y siya. Yung x cube, mareretain siya. Okay, so ganyan yan. Parang nilipat ko itong dalawang yan, nag-change sila ng sign, yung x cube na tira, and then I flipped it para mas maging kamuka nitong standard linear form nga natin. So nakikita natin meron na tayong y prime, pero ayaw natin na may kasama si y prime. So magde-divide tayo ng x on each term. And then we will end up with y prime minus 3 all over x, y. I will write it that way para manotice natin na wala, first order linear differential equation siya. Kasi nandito yung y prime, and then we have a sum function of x, which is negative 3 over x, multiplied to y, and then the right side is a function of x alone, which is x squared. So, na-write natin siya in standard linear form, and therefore, we can solve problem number 6 using folde. So, once na na-write natin siya sa standard linear form, the next step in solving for a first order linear differential equation is finding for the integrating factor. Yung formula natin for the integrating factor is what? Kunin lang natin yung p of x muna, di ba? So, from the standard equation, we identify p of x. P of x is yung function ni x na katabi ni y. In this case, it is negative 3 over x. Huwag natin kakalimutan lagi, isama yung sign. Okay, especially kung negative yan. And then step 3 is we determine the integrating factor. Yung integrating factor na i-multiply natin para maging exact differential equation yung left side. So we have e raised to the negative p of x. Direct ako ng e, substitute. This will give us e raised to negative 3 ln of x, or e raised to ln of negative x raised to negative 3, or x raised to negative 3. So this is our integrating factor, at ito ang i-multiply natin dun sa equation natin na naka-standard form, yung result sa step 1. So we multiply negative 3 on both sides. X raised to negative 3 on both sides of the equation. Okay. And by doing so, yung right side will now become an exact differential of what? Of the product of yung integrating factor and yung y. And then the right side, simplify lang natin, x squared times x raised to negative 3 will give us x raised to negative 1, or that is 1 over x. Then, dadagdagan natin ng dx na nanggagaling lang naman dito. So that we can integrate both sides. So, by integrating both sides, yung right side, dahil exact differential yan, kukoprahin mo na lang yung nasa loob. While on the right side, i-simplify natin yon. The integral of 1 over x dx is ln of x, and then of course, the integration constant. Simplify lang natin para mas magkaroon tayo ng explicit solution. Ibig sabihin, y lang ang natira dito. We multiply x raised to 3 on both sides. So, para makancel yung x raised to negative 3 dun. And now we have the explicit solution for number 6. And it came out na itong itong problem number 6 natin can be solved using folde. Okay. So that's it. Stay tuned sa mga susunod na video. Ang gagawin ko is puputol-putulin ko ito para hindi kayo maburyong at hindi rin mabigat siya i-load kapag papanoorin na natin through the internet, para separate siya per problem. Okay? So, sundan nyo na lang, stay tuned for the other problems. Thank you for watching and sana may natutunan kayo sa video na ito.